Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a back to top button on your Wix mobile site. So let's get started. First, open your site. Once you are in, at the top of your screen you will see there are two icons. The first one is the desktop icon and the other one is mobile icon. Switch to the mobile icon for the mobile view. And once it's done, go to the left side. Here you will see several icons. Click on the mobile tools and look for the back to top button. Now you just have to click on the add icon and this will open a new window. Here you can add any icon that you like. So you just have to select it and you can also customize the design. Just click on this and from here you will see there are many options like fill colors, shadow. So choose your icon and then you will see that you can arrange it according to your need. And that's it, you have just added the back to top button. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.